Hi there. In this really quick video we will be trying to use this well airload universal AC remote control because we have a really weird and old AC. I will link its video in the description, and it doesn't have a remote anymore. So in theory, hopefully this one works because it seems to have the brand something this AUCMA. So hopefully it will actually work. Let's see. So we have two setting modes by entering the code or automatic searching basically. So the automatic searching maybe works even with brands that are not listed in here, but that's up to you to try and see. In theory, here we have the codes, conformity, nah, we don't care about that. Let's search for a code for my AC. So it seems all codes from 210 to 229, 933 and 967. So I will start testing with all of them until I get one that works, hopefully. A full overview of the code list. In case you don't have it anymore, you can pause at any time for your particular model. And I sometimes use my own videos for reference in the future, because I'm not going to keep this. Recycling it goes. Neither these things. This is the remote model in case anybody needs it. Two AAAs. Let's insert them in here. Put back the little cover. And here we have the instructions, and you can use a Sharpie to write the code right here. So again, let's try and check some codes. So to set this thing, press and hold set until about 3 seconds until that will flicker, and from here start going through the codes. And I think you should also point it at the AC and wait for it to start, but until we will get to 210 it will take a while, so get back to you. To reach faster higher numbers, hold on to the button. I think you can go up and down, so if you pass it you can come back always. Seems to be working on 210, which is kind of great. And yeah, it's wiggling, it's not in its final position yet, but I think it's giving us cold air slowly. So probably it's all good. We'll see. I'll get back to you. Forgot to press OK, but it locked by itself, so no issue there. I will write 210 in here with a Sharpie. And I have my code now. So basically that's about it for this video. This thing also has a light if you need it, but it will go through the batteries, so just as an emergency, don't overuse it. Yes, you can set the time on it and whatnot. I don't really care. You saw on what AC I'm using this. Time is the least important thing for me, and many or other features probably don't work on my AC because it doesn't support them. But overall, this is a perfect remote, really nice in the hand, compact enough, many features. And yeah, that's about it. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.